Afraid them.
I'm see what's up for you. Hey, man, say bad mind. Bad mind. No one go.
Hey, leave Marcy alone. I don't call her no one go.
Licky. Don't nyame. Remember, go. So tiger.
This morning me wake up and me say a plane crash. I'm telling you, Jamaica is not a real place. See a brother of the plane door I bring pan him shoulder. Nobody can tell me nothing. Him better than the burglar in the Alcor commercial. Is a plane the dog broken and thief the door. Imagine if him put on that door there pan him house. If me a go in the house then me not go put my phone pan airplane mode. Earthquake a go on and me in the house then would I just feel like say a turbulence. See a brother in the plane them say him a the new pilot. Theme name is Ring Ding. Ring Ding even sound like him know for operate a blender. When me hear this brother here on the plane and ask if it's a flat screen TV that you can't know say a back a God him born, you know. If you ever take a picture of him and turn on your flash, them man there that run up and down and feel like say a lightning. Them man there forgot star Mr. Bones and gods must be crazy. And the brother we have video say him name Fishhead, man you are the real official pilot and I use your bird brain pan we know. Boy, me can't even say you have a bird brain cause Fishhead your name.
Stuff, don't know more than me.
Stop it, not silly man.
Sanitizer, you have everything. I have the wig. So anytime it cool down, I put on the wig.
You know, say you look nice, you look nice.
Hey, you really come in and play.
Put on the wig.
Why?
I have my eyelash, so I don't put on my eyelash.
Ah, Jesus.
I have the glue, and let me fingernails off. I have the glue.
Sure.
Hey, let me go TikTok here, that's the one.
You up, Salone. You up.
I have the roller, let me smell like little frowns-ish. I have the mask.
I never free.
You know, never go TikTok here to Rastaja. Murder.
Yeah.
Sit down, my son. Sit down, man. Sit down, my grandpa.
Then come here alone can't drink half this. Go for one cup and make you some frat. And the new juice they will come down in and them stand up in the night till daylight. No one of them.
Me can get 3 pound of oxtail, please. Oxtail. Who are the oxtail? Comfy oxtail. I mean out of the oxtail. The oxtail. Psst. Lady of air counter. Me can get 1 pound of chicken back. 1 pound of chicken. Who are the 3 pound of chicken back? Come up at the counter for seat ya. Jesus, why you have a ballot send me out of chicken back? Want you, man? Give me chicken back. Respect me for get oxtail money. Oxtail dear even mixed pot. Give it 5 pound of chicken back, please. I'll make sure them pretty. Since only when onion and raise, you know, I'm gonna take up treating a mackerel and I just cook a sauce of mackerel. Can't let the story enough to take up no. You give me money for put on? Oh man, Mr. Sorry, this is a chicken back like you beat you up before you give me. No man, take it back. Give me a different one. I don't want it.
3 things you need for survive at Jamaica. First thing on the list, we have Cersei. You see me? Cersei cure anything. You see me? Your head hurty, your belly run. Dog bite you. I'll if you drop out a coconut tree. Number few on the list. You have the big dirty yellow direction. You see me? That dog you can find a great grand uncle auntie from way about 19 or 18 or when. You see me? Them they have everything man. Every number. Police, ambulance, all of them something. You see me? And then last but not least we have credit. You see me? Phone card. Don't think you can survive at Jamaica without phone card. That me have a buckler tell you, you see me? Now please call me on free night and I run again. That me I tell you. Life for part 2. Daddy, I saw my teacher feet. But you eat the same way.
Bashan Brown for TVJ News. In the parish of Clarendon, vendors and residents are complaining about the fuckery in Jamaica. Discussing Corona and other histories we're here on the roadside where other residents are getting around and watch this while we're viewing fuckery. Around 6:30 p.m. a man was passing here decided not to buy any vegetables but he wanted to buy some. Unfortunately, long belly Donna.
How to make a girl tune like Skilly Bang?
Step 1, you have to know the slangs there. Yeah, sir. Yeah, man, I east side. Step 2, you have to can't forget your own lyrics. I'm a gossa, a blank, a blank. Step 3, you have to have an insane flow. I east side, yeah, sir. Baby, a firm, body set, good geometry. Moving evil, I'm if living in your belly. Yeah, sir. E blank. Bring it, sit and come, make me touch it till it swell it. Call me a man name, me no care, me no jelly. Jada Kingdom, me want to tell her, say she heavy, just start and me come. Yes, sir. East side for the girl, let me no bubble up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you ever sell it, then me ready, me a buy it. Me nah use no boots, me nah thought the day got tight, me just a touch your wall.
Who remember my neighbor when me did tell you about when named Robert with Teeth the Light? Robert have a son when named Bruno, and right now I beer things are going, me a fret. Me always I send Bruno go shop, and every time this youth go shop for me the man name when me send him go buy. But yeah, me send the man go buy saltfish, when him come back the saltfish pick up. Me show you Bruno serious, me send the man go buy all a 108 phone card for me, and when me put it on a $54 deposit, like him take the next 54. Anyways, this morning me wake up and me see 3 rat run across my living room. So me I say, what them ya? Me call Bruno same time and beg him go buy some rat poison for me. About an hour now me I look and me can't see Bruno come. Me have to wonder if through me and Bruno him go follow Bruno Mars and see a girl with him like and catch a grenade for her. One the youth you know me say Bruno don't take no shortcut, a serious time we living a brother. And Bruno no like wear slippers you know, so maybe I buck him all in toe you know. If none have no idea want to Bruno, just let me know he was last seen wearing a sleeveless hat, yeah?
Coconut?
Yeah, man, coconut. Pick one.
It's too tall, you know. It's too tall, man.
When? Today? So how you get her? Why you not get her back? Why? What you say how you hold her? Let me see how you hold her. How you hold her? Let me see how you hold her. Show me how you hold her the top man. Yo, show me how you hold her now.
Babes.
Yeah?
What time am I for again, babes?
Alright, now I'm gonna get ready.
Them time.
You know I can't wait.
I mean, I jam down there still, you know.
That's nice. Anyways, the waste and all.
So make sure you bring in your pretty friend and film, you know. Yeah, man, you know everything come down already, you know, B.
What you say?
So make sure you bring in your pretty friend and film, you know.
May I come?
Pretty skin in a birthday suit.
Yeah, man. May I come, my friend.
Alright, make sure you do that, you know.
Michelle, go and go get ready.
Still.
What nearly go on?
I'm nearly coming on me. Yeah. This a lucky thing me think fast and blow him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause the man nearly tear off all of my front part high.
Basky boy! I fuck with us! Bamba clap! Me don't like that!
Tell them say you're a batty man right, they say you're bow up, brother, you're stain. Yeah man, you're not good again, brother. Real batty man, fit you.